is just the best thing. Tuesday and I'm off to the airport. I've had like 2 hours of sleep or 3 hours of sleep. My eyes are heavy and feel like there's sand in them. But anyway, this is just me checking in to tell you I'm heading to the airport now, and yeah, I'll keep you posted. This was a 6:50 a.m. flight. I wonder why there were so many people traveling this day. Anyway, boarded, found a seat, and I slept all through this flight. Like, I slept from before we even took off. I was asleep until we got to Saskatoon, and this was the next day or that same day, I don't remember. And I went to Dollar. So you guys, I'm looking for by the way, I did my nails today. So I'm at Dollarama, obviously. I showed at the beginning. I'm looking for bamboo to stake my plants. See, this is $5. And I'm laughing because like my village people will not believe that I'm about to buy bamboo that grows in my backyard for that amount. This one is 4 sticks for $3.75. And then there's this one, just 1 stick for $2.50. And it's funny because like bamboo is bamboo. But yeah, I'm trying to stake my plant, so I'm trying to make a choice. I just wanted to show you guys the price. I'll show you what I finally pick when I do. So after Dollarama, I forgot to take a picture or make a video of the things that I bought. But I bought these pots from Dollarama. I bought soil, and these are the seeds that I asked you to guess what they were in the former video. Nobody has guessed. If you know what they are, let me know in the comment section. So I potted them. I had like my peppers transplanted and watered, and yeah, that was about my day. I was so happy because like a lot of my pepper seeds have sprouted, and that gave me joy. And that was about it for Tuesday. Wednesday, this is what I had for breakfast. And hi guys, today's Thursday, right? Today's Thursday, and I just left the SGI office, and I failed my driving test, you guys. I failed my driving test, and I don't feel good about it, and it was something that I should have known. But anyway, I can redo the test in 2 weeks. So right now I'm at Walmart to pick up some stuff. Yeah, to make myself happy. What is it called that's going to make me happy? But anyway, yeah, that's what's up. This time around, I didn't forget to record what I got from Walmart. Can you guess how much these things are? Everything is ridiculously expensive, man. You guys, you need to watch these videos. You need to make them go viral so that I can make some money off of YouTube. Yes. So I went to this wine store to buy stuff for wine. I don't know if I had mentioned it before, but I'm trying to experiment with making my own wine. This place gave me joy. It was like an actual winery. Look, these pails are all buckets of wine that are brewing. I'm just going to let you see what he was showing me, and he had such good customer service.
It's coming up and bursting. Yeah, there's a.
Oh, that's the fruit.
There's a lot
I
of
can see the
good.
bubbles.
Yeah, actually, this whole pail is a grape concentrate.
After I told the facility, I got the supplies, a jar for fermentation, a jar to put my wine, a siphon, yeast, and some things I needed. Hi guys, today is Friday, and this is me checking in as usual for the weekly vlog of living in Canada. And today I had an interview in the morning. Fingers crossed. I think I liked it, but I mean, hoping to hear from them positively. And then I'm making iseo, and I'm making pawpaw for the first time using Chef S's recipe. Hopefully it comes out well. And yeah, so I'm making pawpaw. And then yesterday, I must have showed in the previous clip, I went to like a wine kit store to buy stuff because I want to experiment with making wine. I mean, my experimental era. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, share it, give it a thumbs up. That's how you like the video. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section, okay? And yeah, I bought something else. I bought oil. I want to make, the hair mix that is akin to jollof rice. The hair oil mix where you put spices in it. That's supposedly a hair growth recipe. I don't know what to call it. So I bought olive oil for that yesterday, and I'm going to try to infuse it into the oil. A busy day. Subscribe, okay? See you soon. This was just me mixing up everything that I needed for the puff puff. I did not use any measurement. I was just using my intuition and allowing my ancestors to guide me. I had yeast, the flour, sugar, warm water, and mixed it up together. My sister said it looked like ekpang, like the mix, like grated water. Yeah. Anyway, I mixed everything together, set it aside, covered it for some time, and I usually like this puff puff that they sell under the bridge in Ojo, but they have pepper in it, and I try to put pepper in this one as well. And you guys, this is my first attempt at puff puff. How did I do? It does taste actually nice. It's sweet, but I think we can work on the shape. My sister said the dough looks like ekpang. But anyway, I think we did good. What do you think? It looks like akara in this video. But anyway, I went on to make my iseu. This is my second attempt at making iseu. This one was not as great as the first time. I don't know what was going on. I feel like I was just tired. So it didn't really bang like the other one. That's just the brain. I learned that you're supposed to cook the brain in the nylon so it doesn't scatter. I added everything. I added my potash. That's what I was mixing. That's what gave it that foamy look. And then I added my iseu, my cooked parts of the goat head into it. And the next morning, this is what I had for breakfast on Saturday. This was Saturday, I think. Yeah. Today is Saturday, and there's this thing I bought from Dollarama. This is like the best thing that I bought, and it blends so easily. This is just how you have to do it. And it gets the job done. So like if you don't want to use the blender, I feel like that was so noisy, but if you don't want to use a blender and you want some rough chops, you use this and it's just perfect. I got it from Dollarama. Anyway, today is Saturday and I'm making beans and corn. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but it's something that is native to my people in my village in Africa, in Cross River State of Nigeria. So yeah, that's what I'm making today. And I'm also going to make my wine, or start the process of making my wine, like I mentioned in the previous video. Alright, see you soon. Then I started with my wine. I chopped up pears And apples, I want to make a mixture of pear and apple wine. So I chopped that up into bits, followed instructions on numerous videos that I've seen on YouTube, and then I put it on the boil, put it to boil. I added water, bottled water, because like they said tap water might not be good for it because it might be contaminated. So I used bottled water. And one thing that everyone said is when you're making wine, you need to be very sanitary. So I was making sure I was following the rules. And then I added my sugar and allowed it to boil. After a couple of minutes, after I felt like the sugar had dissolved in the boil, I added more water and added my yeast. And right now, my wine is brewing. It's fermenting. I'm hoping that it's fermenting right. And I set it aside. I covered it with a cloth and put the lid on this, and it's fermenting somewhere. So I'll give you guys the update. I'll keep you posted on what has happened with my wine and if it is doing what I expect it to do. So some people use cloves for coloring the wine, some people use tea bags, some people use raisins. So I had cloves, so I don't know, is it cloves or cloves? Whatever it is, but that's what I added. And this brings this video to a close. I would continue or give you updates from next time. Thank you for watching. Bye guys, love you. Please subscribe.